Hey, welcome back to my channel. Ryobi 18V 1 Plus EverCharge Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the innovation from Ryobi, the 1 Plus EverCharge Stick Vacuum. Enjoy hassle-free cleaning with the cordless convenience of Ryobi 1 Plus. The lightweight design allows you to reach high corners and surfaces, and the large angled dust cup allows for easy emptying and dust removal. Powerful performance and extended lifespan with brushless technology. Features a high and low switch with lock-on capability. Hassle-free cleaning with cordless convenience. Compatible with all Ryobi 1 Plus batteries and chargers as part of the Ryobi 1 Plus lineup of over 100 products, with includes 4.0 lithium plus battery and wall adapter charger. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.